Hello traders, this is Aftab and you're watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss dollar CAD, and especially today I will be giving some sort of learning on the topics of support and resistance, plus some previous revisions of the Fibonacci strategy. So this is, you can say, a fresh educational video for all of those traders who want to master their trading skills. I am so sure this video is going to be super helpful. So first of all, right here I am on a dollar CAD chart, but you can pick any chart and you can apply these same techniques, and I am sure enough you will be getting the same results, you will be getting the same trading setups. So traders, first of all, whenever you try to analyze a pair, you have to pick your time frames, and this is so much important and it should be your step one. Let's suppose you want to trade on daily. You have to look for monthly, weekly and daily time frame, right? So once you look at these time frames and you decide in three time frames you have to work specially, and that will be super easy for all of you to make proper and nice trading decisions, I should say. So first of all, right here if you see CAD, in my weekly forex forecasts videos we took sells from there, and then 1.33682 1.33209 was our rejection level, and till now so far it is playing out very nicely. So in such situations, let's suppose if I have no fresh trade and I am looking at such chart, how will I analyze it? Let's have a look at it. First of all, just like I said, we will pick three time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, right, for my long-term tradings. But since this setup is going to be a weekly setup, so I will be sticking with the daily H4 and most probably H1, right? So on a daily time frame, if I'm trying to find an impulsive wave on a daily time frame, it should be very simple, and there is no rocket science. It's very simple. Like, you just have a look at this. This trend started, okay, and obviously the trend ended all the way right here, if you can see, when we get this break below. So at this point we got this trend, a break of this trend, and the market continued downward. It took a fresh support right here. So just have a look at it, just have a look at the RSI readings. Right here it is at around 81.88. Most of you most of you all know that I consider 80, the reading of above 80, as overbought. So right here we have overbought condition, right here we have an oversold condition. So now this is going to be our impulsive wave. We traded this and we traded this, but I'm like, let's say I'm just focused and trying to take a decision that what I'm going to do right here. So this trend on a daily time frame, this is an impulsive leg, and whenever, since this is from this is a downward impulsive wave, what the Fibonacci will be telling me is it will be giving me one level, and mostly I work with Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, 618 you can say, and that comes right here at this price point. You can see, right, till here everything should be clear to you. Forget about these levels, these are just my long-term setups. You just focus on these red lines right here. So okay, here this impulsive leg will have a Fibonacci 618 retracement level, which comes right here at 1.36180. Okay, now I will be so sure enough that okay, if in the future I want to take a trade, uh, this trade, let's suppose if I take it, how much stop loss it will have? It will have a stop loss of around, where is this long position? So the entry will look something like this, right? According to me, still it's not very bad entry, but I want to, since like I have told you at the beginning of the session, that I will be teaching you, I will be giving all of you a little bit of educational. So the purpose of this video is not to give you setups so that you can trade, but to give you setups so that you can understand. Remember, right? So to me, this is a bit late. If someone is trading it for long term, it's not late because later we can move the stop loss like this, and this much stop loss can give you around one is risk and two is the reward. So this is one trade setup that I have found. How did I found it? Because if you see this 1.33412 level, this is almost like a Fibonacci zone. If you see right here, see 618 retracement level. So from a Fibonacci zone, market took a reversal, so definitely it will try to reach towards its next Fibonacci number, which belongs to these people, right? And now once it is done, once the trade setup is done, I want to tell you that how this trade could be picked up on a lower time frame. On a lower time frame, if we move right here, on a lower time frames, you may have heard most of the time that trend is our friend. So if we see the trend is no doubt bullish right here, if you see the overall trend is bullish on all time frame, but on the H1, if we see, it must have given some sort of indication for a buy. Just have a look at it and just study, since like the market took a bounce from 1.33682 right here. If you see, we have got like the market was trending down, down, down and down, and when it hit our buying area, what was the confirmation in such situation? The confirmation was this green bullish candle, and even the next candle came down, gave you another opportunity with a very tiny stop loss. So the actual entry was this, right? So see how much tiny stop loss could give us big take profits. And there is, for confirmation, one other thing that I usually consider, and that is my ABCD pattern and ABCD pattern strategy I trade with. So see, the market was on a H4 going straight up. It created this double top up there. You can clearly see this is a double top, and most probably there must be some sort of divergence on the RSI, clearly visible right here. If you can see clear visible divergence, and the market dropped. So this was also tradable. Double tops usually I trade with. If I get with divergence, I traded, made good profits out of it. Very very simple. I'm still not sure why most of the traders are not making it. So okay, coming back to the original topic, this ABCD pattern I was discussing. So this is going to be the A, this is the B, and this is its Fibonacci number. Remember, this is the Fibonacci number, and this is going to be the C to D, right? C to D. And just have a look at it with a around like price zone of 3618, 1.3618. This setup is going to complete. So on H4, the ABCD pattern is also pointing towards that, and if I count the number of pips, this is almost like an opportunity of 250 pips. So, and with this, some positions can be closed near 1.35280, and for today, if the market went up there, and you are taking like holding a buy positions, or anyone who is holding a buy positions, must be some position must be closed, some new sell positions must be open. Make sure your broker allows to trade both ways, the buy and the sell, so that you can take maximum benefit of this particular strategy, and you can easily like generate or easily find out new trading setups for yourself. So this is one trading setup that this particular strategy gave me. Now since I have a bit of time, let's quickly discuss some other pair. Most probably, let's have a look at US30. Okay, I just want to show you that how this whole thing works. Okay, then you can apply it on your charts and you can make a lot of money. Since US30 I haven't seen it, I haven't traded it for quite some time now, so for that reason I'm starting with monthly. Very very quickly I will be starting with monthly. It's on a clear range, and since it is on a range, so it definitely must be at a resistance zone. So do you think we need to take a resistance sell? Well, very easily right here, if I identify this trend, we have got a very clear break of trend to the top side, especially on this weekly one, right? Just have a look at it. So do you think these traders can put the market back down? If they can put the market back down, where will be our support zone? Our support will be like this, and this is on a long term basis. Now move on to the daily time frame, and on a daily time frame, early sellers already has entered into the market. But remember, there is one thing that most of the traders are ignoring, and that is right here, this impulsive wave, and obviously it's ABCD pattern completion, just like this and just like this. So if the market is going to go further up, this time it is going to reverse from 35 38, and most of the traders will say, oh, this is a breakout, let's add put and put buy positions, buy, this is a breakout, breakout. No, my friends, that will not be a breakout, but most probably that is going to be a fake out. But yes, if the market closes above 35 38, then yes, that will be a clear break of structure. Otherwise, this level will also be ideal for sell. So for long term, it is suggesting me a sell from 35 38. Now moving on to the H4, and let's see if there isn't any is any valid setup that we can trade. Well, very nice and fantastic structure I have right here. So yes, definitely we can trade this, and we can trade it all the way from 33 34. So once it drops, it is dropping towards 33 34. This will be an impulsive wave with us, this one with clear double bottom. The market created a very nice clear double bottom right here. See this one, and just have a look at this divergence as well. So how easy this whole thing is, I want to show you the divergence right here. See, very easy divergence right here, the market break, and it's trying to come back down. So like within 2 days, most probably till tomorrow, tomorrow is Friday as well. So if it drops, it drops. Otherwise, the long term setup 35 38 has gone nowhere. If you know how to trade, and if you can place your stop losses properly, I'm sure enough on this particular strategy you can make a lot of money, a lot of pips. And some of you who are in losses, I think this strategy can recover you all of that back to you, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. This is my WhatsApp number. If anyone is in any trouble related to forex trading, any hedging trade stuck somewhere, contact me. And just in case, if you want to learn more about my strategy, also do contact me. I have Zoom meetings, right, one-on-one, so I can provide you one-on-one education on Zoom as well. Thank you so much once again. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself, give me your feedback, and goodbye.